Guys, so I'm going to show you the presidential suites of the only hotel with a presidential suite in Kisumu. Yeah, guys, brace up yourself. So when you walk out from the lift, this is the view you get when you just get off the lift, guys. I don't know how much better it can get. Of course, we are talking about Acacia Premium Hotel in Kisumu County, Kisumu Town. So that's the view that greets you as you walk out from the lift. Very, very large sitting area with the most comfortable furniture, amazing views of the rest of the hotel, as well as the shores of Lake Victoria. So come on and let me show you how the room looks like. Whoa. So when you walk in, on the far left there's more sitting space. Guys, check that out. More sitting space here. Oh guys, whoa, check that out. And then on your right hand side, when you walk in, is this bathroom here, which is for your bodyguard if you're lucky to have one, or if you're traveling with your kids or accompanied by other people. This is the first bathroom that you will get, and it has a sizable bathtub as well, and just an overhead shower. The pressure of the water is really great. There's this place here where you place all your suitcase and everything else. Of course, there is wardrobe which has hangers and a safe to just make sure everything is safe, laundry bag and sandals. I love the painting on the wall. So if you notice, the main theme going on here is black and white. Of course, there's a mini fridge in here for your use or that of your other guests, and there's very beautiful wall art. The theme here is black and white. There's a reading desk, and everyone has a view. Guys, just check out that desk. Everyone gets a view. Just check out that view below and above, plus across. Okay, so that's the view of the first living area. Guys, just check that out. So if, let's say, you are the president of, I don't know which country, or you are some VVIP and you have your bodyguards, this is where they would stay. I think it's really decent. Moving on, everything here is black and white. That's like the going theme. Even the nets are black and white. Everything else is black and white. The TV is black and white. The picture frames are black and white. Everything is black and white. Floor is white. Oh guys, and then when you walk from the bodyguard's room or your other guest room, you have this living room going on here. I love the color. I love everything. The interior decor is just amazing. And this too has a TV area, lots of water, and of course there's a desk there, a reading desk for you, and more sitting space. Like, you can literally decide to sit anywhere here. It's massive. Like, pictures don't do this place justice. And you have the most amazing view of the lake here. This is the view you get from the living room. Of course, you still have more views of Lake Victoria. There is sunbeds there. That's Central Bank right across there. So you can pretty much walk out through any of these doors. So this is the view of the living room from the balcony. Yeah, that's the view of the living room from the balcony. Guys, what do you think? So that's the living room view. And then you have a little dining table here, and there is a kitchen, fully stocked kitchen. It has all the appliances you'd need. There's a refrigerator here. There is a microwave, shelves, like pretty much everything you'll need is in here in the kitchen. So you can choose to stock the fridge by yourself or ask the hotel to stock the fridge for you. So let me show you the main bedroom. So this is what you have, guys. Just check that out. So again, as I mentioned, the going theme here is black and white. So pretty. Again, more sitting space, more TV. Like there's a lot of TV here. There's a wardrobe in here. And you have more views of the lake. This is the view that you get. Almost similar to what you get from the living room area. This is the view that you get from the balcony area. Let me just show you. So from the balcony area, yeah, you can see there's like a really nice proper and then you have another full-length mirror. And again, the going theme is black and white. That's what you have going on here. You have black and white going on there. Guys, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, that's the view of the bed from the TV area. View from the bed area. Yeah, and then this is the view of the living room from the bedroom, the main bedroom. This is the view that you get. Okay, now let's check out the bathroom. So you have a separate shower. So unlike the other rooms where you have both the shower and the toilet in one room, you have a big shower here and a separate toilet, also massive space. And there is a jacuzzi. You have a jacuzzi bathtub right in here. Very spacious. And more toiletry up here. You have an his and hers sink. Hakuna kupigania when you're both late. Okay, of course you have the shaving kit, dental kit, and everything else you pretty much need. There's a hair dryer. Is the view of the bedroom from the toilet area or from the bathroom. All right, moving on. View of the dining room from the bedroom. Okay, moving on from the dining area and the kitchen. So this is how it looks like. So on my far right, you have another half bathroom. So in case you have guests that don't have access to the bedroom area, this is what they will use. Okay. So this, remember, is how we came in. So if you turn right, this is what you see. Right? And if you turn left, now this is more of the meeting area. So you have like a TV as well and a desk here. And then you have this boardroom. So you have access to a full boardroom, which can have 8 guests comfortably sitting, as well as this other area, which still has more sitting space. Guys, check that out. I love the yellow and purple theme going on here. So this is still part of the meeting areas. You guys just check that out. And it has a not so major view, but you still get sort of like a view of the lake far beyond. And yeah, this view is not so very nice, but it's so what I particularly like about this room is that it is so spacious. It's got proper lighting, and I love the choice of colors. Yeah, so this is the view from this other area. This is the view of the boardroom that I just showed you. So as you can see, it's a proper presidential suite. I think it would do the job. Yeah, so I'm just walking out from the boardroom so I can just show you the rest of the place. Yeah, so this is the view of the living room. Sorry, of the living room from the boardroom. The half bathroom toilet for all other guests that don't have access. That's the living room. That's like the waiting sort of reception area that we walked in through. That's the view of the reception from the landing bay. Yeah, this is the door we walked in. So you can pretty much have all these for yourself for not so much. As the shooting of this video, it's about $500 US, and you get access to all these and more. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay guys, that's it for today. That's a presidential suite at Acacia Premium. Let me know what you think. Do you think it's worth the dollars that you pay for it? Personally, I think it's really worth it. Come and stay here. Thank you. I think, yeah.